In this short tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to fix Telegram subscription failed. Now if you head to your Telegram and on Telegram Premium or Telegram Business, you try to choose your subscription, but it keeps on failing or not working. There might either be some issues on the other side of Telegram, but if you continue and tap on subscribe and this prompt shows up, in-app purchases are not allowed on this device. That means the problem is with the device settings. This doesn't only affect Telegram, but all other apps across your device. We can try it on Snapchat. To subscribe to Snapchat Plus, it's still the same case. To fix this issue, you want to head to your phone settings. Navigate to the option of screen time. Now under restrictions, head to content and privacy restrictions. You want to head to iTunes and App Store purchases. Select in-app purchases. Mark on the option of allow. Now changes will automatically save and you can now be able to purchase or subscribe to apps. Well, that's how easy it is to fix in-app purchases are not allowed on this device. And if you find this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials like this one.